Hey guys, Steve and Hayley here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Hayley is new to our channel, so we wanted to take just a couple of minutes and introduce Hayley. And Hayley, maybe you can tell us a little bit about yourself and what brought you into this industry.
Sure, so I actually came in to the industry itself a couple years ago, not very experienced to be completely honest, but definitely interested in being able to learn more. I think it's really important to be able to have an understanding, to know how to protect yourself, protect your families, protect other people around you. So especially coming in here, that's a great place to start.
So some of your hobbies, you were a gymnast? Is that
Yeah,
correct?
Yep, I was a competitive gymnast growing up, so about 15, 16 years I did competitive gymnastics, then went to college on a cheerleading scholarship. After that, I also played softball in high school, really just a little bit of everything.
Got your master's?
Master's degree, yep, in clinical mental health and addictions counseling, specialty in military mental health.
All right, so now on top of that, you taught kickboxing for a while, and you were Mrs. Indiana.
Yes, I was, in 2019, Mrs. Indiana.
Which means you went on to go represent the state of Indiana in Las Vegas?
Yes, Las Vegas, Nevada, Mrs. America. It was great.
All right, well, if you guys have some questions that you want to ask Hayley, you'll be seeing her on a lot of videos coming up. And to give you a little bit more background, I know she mentioned that she's kind of a novice. She's going to be coming into this to learn, and as she's making videos. So we're hopefully going to watch her progress over the next maybe year or whatever, however long she's able to stick with us. We'll get on her nerves before too long and she'll be gone, especially when she works with Alex. So anyway, but once we start doing this and actually get some trigger time, I'm eager to see how she progresses through the course of the next 6 months to a year. So again, feel free to post down below, show her some love, and maybe find out a little more about her.
Yeah, and feel free to ask questions. If you have anything that you're curious about, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Make sure you like, share, comment, and the little bell in the corner.
The bell. All right. All right, guys, we'll talk to y'all soon. Take care. Bye. That's a hidden talent.
You can put it on the bloopers because it's still going.
It is still going.
All right. I'm back. Her mic's off.
Her mic's on. Your mic.
Her mic's on. I'm back. I'm back. You can't hear me. I'm talking into her mic. This needs to be in here because she didn't tell us that she had this talent until after the fact. What is it? What is your hidden talent that you're able to do? I'm going to step away.
Okay. So Steve thinks that this is pretty important. Let me know what you think. You know how people say you can't lick your elbow? I can lick my elbow.
I can't even get close.
Aww.
Who the fuck?
Not I, said the fly.
I can, like my hips, I can pop my hips out of socket, like just standing here.
Don't
I
do
can
that.
pull my thumb out of socket and turn it around backwards in the socket.
Don't do that.
I can do a back bend and stand on my hands like this because my back bend's completely in half.
I will legit pass out on you.